Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful, amazing day today. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jen. Please consider liking and subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, hello, welcome back. Hope you are all doing well. Hope you're having a great summer. If you're in my area, maybe you're in the winter, I don't even know. Either way, hope it's going well for you. So today is going to be kind of a short video, but I bought a P. Louise. These are their, like, mystery beauty boxes. Yeah, so they come every month. I think you can actually buy just the box if you want, which I think is what I did. Or you can get the subscription, which is, I believe, $39.99 a month. It's usually 5 to 6 items, usually 6. I thought this one was really cute. It has the leopard print, and it's called the Hot Spot. So we're going to see what's inside this. So stick around and let's see what's in this box. Hey everybody, welcome back. Also wanted to remind you, yesterday I put up a video where me, Cheryl for Peace, and the Dixie Gypsy swapped some TEMU wigs. It was really, really fun. If you missed that, please go back and watch that video. It was so much fun. I had a great time with those gals. You know, it just was a really fun video. So yeah. All right. Also, I got this pair of glasses from TEMU, and I'll link them down below, but I've been wanting to wear them so bad. They're a pair of readers. I don't have the price on here, but I think they were around 10 bucks, but I loved the style. So I'll make sure to link these down below. You guys always ask me about my glasses, and I get all my readers from TEMU, every single pair. And when I go on and just kind of search, I'll search for like women's cat eye readers, which I love. I love big cat eye or whatever, but these are really cute. And I think I bought maybe a couple pairs of these, but in different colors. This one is a tortoise shell with like these gold, kind of like a gold trim. I thought they were really cute. So I got those, and I just wanted to show them to you because I've been wanting to wear them. I think I'm going to take them to work, actually. So yeah, I have several pairs of glasses that I usually wear, but I always get my readers from TEMU. So let's try these on. Oh, they're so cute. They're adorable. They're like nice and big. You know, I love these. Okay, perfect. Perfect. I love big glasses, you guys. I'm like the big glasses gal. I got these from TEMU too. They're stinking adorable. I got these from TEMU, again, stinking adorable. So yeah, just go on TEMU, type in women's cat eye readers. That's what usually comes up. They're a lot of fun, and they just are really nice. So yeah, look at these. Aren't they adorable? I love the gold accents with the tortoiseshell. I love tortoiseshell. So, all right, let's get into this box. It is from P. Louise. I'll make sure to link this below, and I'll link my glasses below, these ones. So this is their budget mystery box, I think is what they call it. It looks so cute. I love P. Louise stuff. I'm obsessed with it just by the way it looks. So we're going to open this up, and it is stinking. I love their boxes. Look how cute this is. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a makeup bag or a bag. And again, I think this was $50 shipped, but I feel like if you do the monthly, it's maybe less. I'm not real sure about that, but I'll make sure I link it down below. So let's just start with this, the item on the top, because it's a bag. And then we'll go through each item. I love this, okay? I love animal print. Love it. All right, so here's what this looks like. Oh, it's so stinging cute. It's got a little, let me cut this off. If I can get my scissors out. Let's see here. Okay. Oh, this is cute. I love makeup bags, you guys. If you can hear stuff upstairs, it's probably the cats. They're really acting up today. And today's Delilah's birthday. She is 3 years old today, our girl cat. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's super adorable. It's an animal print. It says P. Louise on the front in like a embroidered gold color. It needs stuffed with things, so we're going to put all the stuff in it maybe, but it's so cute. It's got this zipper. It's also got a little handle here that says P. Louise. This is adorable. Stinking adorable. Oh my gosh, look. When you unzip it, it sits nice and flat and open. I love that. And the inside is like a light kind of beige. like a beigey pink kind of color. This is super cute. I love the bag. Love the bag. So I'm going to put all these in the bag. All of these products. All right. Oh, where do we start? Let's start with the cheeks. There's 2 cheek products in here. These are the 2 cheek products. They are liquid blush. The Cheek of It P. Louise Flirty Flush of Color Liquid Blush in the shades Sweet Sundae. And then we have Naughty Nectarine. So let's open these up. We will swatch. Let me get out a makeup wipe. Let's get ahead of the game here. Guys, if you've ever been on P. Louise's website, I believe they were a UK brand. So sometimes, but you know what's weird is like, I feel like Amazon delivered this. So I don't know. I don't know how that works. But anyways, so here's the Cheek of It Flirty Flush of Color in Sweet Sundae. I'm guessing that this color on the front maybe might represent what the color is. I don't know. We're going to find out. I love pink. I love pink anything. So it's got this little dauber top. So let me squeeze it. Ooh, yeah. Okay, hold on. I'm trying not to squeeze too much. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's the color. That's why I didn't want to. But, you know, if you pat it out like so, it becomes a real flush of color. So that is Sweet Sundae, the P. Louise, the Cheek of It. I love that. Love it. If I ever do a box, you guys, where I'm not sure of a product or it's something I have, I'll make sure to put it in my giveaways going forward. So this is another Cheek of It, and this one is Naughty Nectarine. So let's check this one out. Let me put this one in my little bag. So here's this one. Okay. Oh, let me wipe this one off. But they do spread out very, very nicely. You know, yeah, so really nice. You really got to watch when you squeeze it, because look at that coming through. See how it starts to come through? You got to really be easy, or you're going to end up with a ton of product. Ooh, this one's really pretty too. So that's the color. That's the color of it. That's so pretty. And then you just want to pounce it out. And this is what it'll actually look like on the cheek, you know? Really pretty. I love liquid blushes because you can really adjust them to how, you know, how you want to wear them. Maybe you want to wear really dark blush. Maybe you want to wear really light blush. So you have all those options. Okay, let's do the next item. This is called P. Louise Skin Protect Your Pout Glitter Formula Untamed Sugar. So that's interesting. Babe, every application is a treat. For attractive lips, speak words of kindness. That's so nice. So it's a lip tint conditioner in Untamed Sugar. So let's check this out. I love makeup, you guys. I love makeup so much. Also, I love their lippies because they always have this like a little hook on them almost every single time. Or some kind of charm or something. That's why I just love this brand. It's just so aesthetically pleasing to me. Like the packaging and everything. It's just so aesthetically pleasing. I actually really like the box too. So I may keep this box for a shipping box. But here's what this looks like. P. Louise Protect Your Pout in Untamed Sugar with the little lanyard little thing. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. It's just got like a, you know, this is the applicator, just like a standard applicator there. It's clear, and oh my God. It literally smells, it smells like a bakery treat. Oh my gosh, like almost like crust, like some type of crust. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells so good. It's just clear. Does it taste like anything? No. It's just scented, not flavored. It smells so good. It smells like a bakery treat. Oh my gosh. I don't know what Untamed Sugar is for them, but whatever it is. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so then I got the P. Louise Handle the Heat mascara, long-lasting formula, clump-free, maximum definition. So let's see what the wand looks like and all of that. I love mascaras that have a really nice wand on them. So we'll see what their wands are like. Love the packaging. This is in the color black. So let's see what we got here. Okay, not what I was expecting. So this is the wand. I was actually expecting it to be much floofier, but that's okay. No real scent to it. We will try it. I'm not crazy about that type of wand, but, you know, you never know. Maybe it's a great formula and all that, so we shall see. All right, that was the 4th product. The last product I kind of saved for last because I wanted to see it together. It's the P. Louise Finishing Touch in the Untamed Sugar, again, all over body glow. Now, this is like a lightweight body glow enhancing type of, I don't even want to say lotion because it's more like a gel, I think. They're calling it like an illuminator. So, yeah. Key benefits. Sweet almond oil, help hydrate the skin. There is meadow foam seed oil. So, yeah, it says it's thin, lightweight, like a little glaze for the skin. And it's in that scent Untamed Sugar, which, oh my gosh, it smells so good, you guys. I wish I could, oh my gosh, look at it. Look at that bottle. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. You can just see it, you can just see the stuff glistening in there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, we should put it like right here. Let's put it like right here, okay? I'm so excited because it smells so good. It literally smells, I'm just going to pump out like, let's do 2 pumps. So that much. It's beautiful. Let's just kind of put it, it's like an oil. It feels a little bit oily. And my skin's probably going to get red before anything else. But it smells so good. It smells like a cookie. It's just super hydrating and might have, okay, there is a little bit of a shimmer and you might not even really be able to tell. You know what I mean? But let me put some on my hand and I'll show you. It smells so good, you guys. If you like smelling like a sugar cookie, this is it. This is it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So that's what it looks like on my hand. It does have some glitter, but it's very, very, what do I want to say? It's very subdued, but it makes your skin just look really, really shiny, which is great. I love that. So I don't know. I mean, it's not overly glittery, so that's wonderful. But I love this. It smells so good. Apply to clean, dry skin. Shoulders, arms, legs, blend evenly. Layer as desired to adjust the glow. I love this. I think it's amazing. It smells so good. And look, the packaging on the top, it matches. It's got the animal print and all of that. So here everything is in the little baggie. Whoa, I almost dropped it. Super cute. Love the bag. Love the products. I think it's a great beauty box. I don't know if they show you what's in it before you buy it, so you know. But I feel like I saw what was in this before I bought it, and I'm like, ooh, I want to try that. You know, because I loved the animal print, so. But yeah, that's the P. Louise beauty. They call it, I think, the beauty budget or mystery box or something like that. And there's 1 a month. So yeah. Oh, that just smells so good, you guys. Oh my gosh. Love it. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I'll leave the links below for this. I'm not affiliated or anything like that, just in case you're interested in buying it or maybe getting next month's or whatnot, then you'll know. You'll have the link. And I will try and make sure I link these glasses down below too, because I love these. I think I'm going to take these to work tomorrow. They're so cute. And these come in different colors too, but I love the gold accents. But yeah, these were from TEMU, you guys. Love their glasses. Okay, thank you guys so much for stopping by. Please give me a like and a subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!